Welcome to the final day of the series. Today we'll move through deep release with long restful holds. We'll start with deer pose on the left side. Bend your left leg in front of you at 90 degrees and your right leg behind you at 90. You can stay upright or gently fold forward if that feels supportive. Use cushions, blocks, or even your favorite stuffy to soften into the shape. Throughout the practice, I'll speak affirmations. You can repeat them out loud or simply receive them in your heart. My body has protected me. I release what I no longer need. I thank my left hip for holding me. I let it go with grace and care. Now gently switch sides. Bend your right leg in front and left leg behind. Adjust until you feel supported, then slowly fold forward if that feels right. I meet this side with kindness. I release the tightness I've carried in this hip. My right hip softens and lets go. I create space for peace to flow in. Bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall open wide. Support the knees with blocks or pillows if that feels better. Round forward only if it's comfortable and let gravity do the work. I surrender into stillness. My heart is open and safe. I allow softness to bloom in every part of me. Move into frog pose by bringing your knees wide and your ankles in line with them. Rest on your forearms or place a pillow under your chest. This is an intense one. Move slowly and take your time. I give myself permission to feel deeply. Every exhale invites deeper surrender. I am grounded, supported, and safe to let go. Come onto all fours and slowly walk your hands forward while keeping your hips stacked over your knees. Melt your chest toward the earth and rest your forehead or chin down. I let my heart lead with trust. I soften into the unknown with grace. There is nothing to fix, only space to feel. Carefully lie down and place a block between your shoulder blades. Extend your arms overhead or hold opposite forearms. Allow the chest to gently open and the breath to deepen. I allow love and compassion to flow through me. My breath moves freely, opening me to ease. I trust the unfolding of my healing. Remove the block, lying down, bend your right knee and hold the outside of your foot or shin for half happy baby. Rest your left hand on your hip crease to invite calm. I soothe my nervous system with loving presence. My body is not a problem to solve, it is my home. I am safe to rest here. Place your right ankle on your left knee, forming a figure 4. You can keep the left leg bent or extended. Reach through to grab behind your thigh if that feels good. I meet my body where it is, not where it used to be. Stretching is not striving, it's returning. I embrace my edges with compassion. Switch sides, bring your left knee into half happy baby, hold your foot or shin, and place your right hand gently on your hip. This side holds stories too, and I listen with care. I am patient with the process of release. I honor the wisdom in every sensation. Place your left ankle over the right knee. Keep the right leg bent or extended. Reach through for your thigh or your calf if you'd like to go deeper. Balance is not symmetry, it's presence. I invite softness into this side too. I welcome alignment without force. Lay down completely, place your right hand over your heart and your left over your womb or belly. Take 3 slow, nourishing breaths. I thank my body for showing up. I inhale gratitude and exhale all remaining tension. I am whole, I am worthy, I am home. This wraps up our 7-day flexibility reset. I'm so proud of you for showing up, not just for this practice, but for yourself. You've softened, stretched, and released in ways that truly matter. I hope you move forward feeling connected, grounded, and deeply supported by your own body, and I'll see you soon.